Good morning, everybody. Thank you, everyone, and welcome to today's meeting. Perhaps we can start. First and foremost, my name is Mohimi, and I am the chairman for today's meeting. Now, let us get down to our business. Joining us today is the audit committee, which are Mr. Faik, Ms. Sofina, and Ms. Hafi. Now, let's start with the report from the auditor, Mr. Faik.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for the ground. As we all know, today we are here gathered to give our reports on our auditing reports. So during our auditing process, we've encountered some of the weaknesses that may negatively impact the business. We've already prepared a slide to show the points of weaknesses, and I'm going to present to you the slide now. This is the slide, and in here you can find the content of the slide and the main point of the slide.
So can anyone care to explain the describe or effect that were given?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. So, based on what I understand, the first issue here is about cost cutting. It could lead to use low quality product that will eventually affect our manufacturing process. This is because the consistency of using low quality product will eventually tarnish our company's reputation. Bad reputation and negative review will horribly decrease the potential customer and creditors.
That's the fact, Mr. Chairman, is the lack of activeness of the board, director, and audit committee will likely result to poor governance. Poor governance can erode the trust and confidence of our stakeholder, including employees and creditors. This can give us big negative impact on our relationship with suppliers and other business partners.
Ah, I see. What about the less monitoring? Can Ms. Sofina explain the issue?
Absolutely can, Mr. Chairman. As Mr. Fai already mentioned, less monitoring of compliance by employee can lead into the ethical and regulation concern. Why we should bring this issue? Because the employee who are not closely monitor to the ethical standard, they will be likely into the unethical behavior such as fraud, bribery, and conflict in interest. So without oversight, the employee will be tempted into the dishonest behavior.
Thank you, everyone, for the explanation about the issue that we are facing right now. So, do you guys have any suggestion for the solution or any recommendation?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, we have provided a couple of solutions for this matter in hand. So the first one, my suggestion is we need to provide training and development programs for our employees to educate them about governance principles, ethical standards, and their roles and responsibilities. We can also seek external guidance, seeking professional guidance to access current practices and implement new positive practice to drive positive changes. Keep in mind that this is only a suggestion. It may look costly now to hire a professional for this matter, but I say it will be worth for the long term of the company.
I agree with Mr. Faik. By implementing with this strategy, manufacturing organization can strengthen their governance framework and improve their ethical conduct, accountability, and transparency across the organization. So I also like to add my suggestion where we can continuously monitor and evaluate governance process and outcome to identify the weaknesses and areas to improve so it can help to ensure the remain effective.
Wow, this a great solution. How about you, Ms. Hafi? Do you have any solution or suggestion? Perhaps any solution for the first issue, which is cost cutting?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. So the first thing that pop up in my head for the first issue is maintenance optimization. Implement proactive maintenance will likely can prevent equipment from breakdown and minimize the breakdown time. This can be done by conductive, regular inspection and performing preventive maintenance. To conduct an effective quality control inspection, our company need a competent team. We need to choose member with the necessary skills, experience and expertise in manufacturing process, product specification and quality standard. Diversity of skill within the team is also crucial for a comprehensive assessment. Moreover, we should invest in quality improvement initiative also to reduce any rework and defects. By improve this quality, we can also save time, energy and money. I think that's all from me.
Well done, everyone. Any suggestions that you guys want to add?
No.
Okay then, I think this is the end for today's meetings. I'm looking forward for our next project or even our next meeting in the upcoming agenda. I now dismiss this meeting and thank you for coming.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
Chairman.
Mr. Chairman.